big bull there, that's for sure. Hey everybody, KV Adventures here in the Laguna Meadows. I am in the big Laguna Meadow right now, the lower one. And it's fall, have a wonderful breeze coming through, and the temperature is about 60 degrees. So you can see the cattle grazing here. Bureau of Land Management does allow some animal husbandry in the national park. Not exactly sure how I feel about that, but I'm open to it. I'm open to it, you know. Cattle go well with pasture naturally, so we'll go with that. Just a wonderful day, lots of people out here. It's a Sunday. Living the dream, baby. Have a wonderful day.
The majestic intense, go to the prairie.